Okay, let's do it. First, I import a logo, for example, Mercedes-Benz logo, and make a composite. Seconds. Okay, and add logo to composite. Make it smaller. And right click on photo. This photo is PNG and alpha. Right click and select photo and go to layer and auto trace, and first on this option apply to new layer. Okay, and we have a mask of this logo. Okay, and right click and make new solid and add element 3D. To solid. Okay, and go to custom layer and custom text and mask and select auto trace Mercedes-Benz. Okay, element 3D use mask of this layer. Okay, and go to scene setup and extrude. Okay, we have 3D logo. Very beautiful. And you can change bevel scale. And click on this. And you can change color. Okay, and press OK and turn off this layer, masks layer. And I wanna rotate this logo. Click on layer that have element 3D and go to group 1 and particle load, and you can make it smaller and select particle rotate and Y rotation particle. Press Alt and click on stoppage time. Okay, and here type time. Time this rotates to left. If you want rotate to right, you can change 50 to -50. Okay, and I want to use this logo here. And for example, as a watermark here, and change this to face camera. And change position. You can add your logo on your videos, on your clips. Let me change position and change composite. Excuse me, and change solid position. Okay. And add, for example, gradient. Like this. Okay, thank you for watching.